Hello and welcome to lesson 6.2, which is going to be focused on breaking old patterns and creating new beliefs. Breaking old patterns and creating new beliefs. The key points here are the science of neuroplasticity from neuroscience and how the brain forms patterns. And when we understand neuroplasticity, we know that the brain is capable of establishing new patterns. We'll also focus on how to identify and understand limiting beliefs, and then review a few steps to replace old patterns with empowering beliefs. So as you think about this, the key question is, why do certain habits, behaviors, or thoughts seem impossible to change? The answer lies in your brain's wiring. It really does. And neuroplasticity is a very powerful way to break old patterns and create new empowering beliefs. Every thought and action you take strengthens a neural pathway in your brain. Over time, these pathways form patterns, some helpful, some limiting. Think about it. How many times have you caught yourself saying things like, I'm not good enough, or I'll never succeed? These thoughts aren't facts. They are conditioned beliefs that can be changed. And there's some three powerful steps I want to uncover to help you break from these old patterns. The first is awareness. Awareness is the first step in recognizing the belief or behavior you want to change. Ask yourself, where did this come from and how is it serving or limiting me? Then the second is disruption. Once you've identified a limiting belief, how do you disrupt it? Because if you don't disrupt it, it continues in the established neural pathway and appears to be de facto. So some techniques might include challenging the belief's validity or using mindfulness to interrupt automatic thoughts, asking questions like, who is thinking these thoughts? Where does this thought come from? Is this thought mine? And the third is replacement, which is you learn how to replace the old belief with one that aligns with your goals and values. And some powerful ways to do this include the use of affirmations to rewire the brain and repeat intentionally what you desire until it becomes ingrained in your pathways, your neural pathways. Visualization. Visualization is a powerful way of activating the mind's eye to see where you want to be, because when you see it and you hold on to that vision, you can manifest it. And then gratitude. Gratitude is a powerful practice for the heart, acknowledging what already is and creating space for the good that would be. These are all powerful tools for replacing what you've become aware of and what you're attempting to disrupt in your mind. See, so the more you practice thinking, feeling, and acting with your new beliefs, the stronger those neural pathways become. And over time, the old patterns fade and the new ones become second nature. So you realize that your old thoughts, patterns, beliefs play constantly in your mind like a movie script, or like a neon sign that keeps repeating specific message over and over again. And until there is a power failure to disrupt the neon signs movement or a reprogramming of the computer with new messaging, the neon sign will keep repeating the same patterns. And the same way our brain works, that there's a powerful energetic frequency to limiting self-beliefs. Therefore, we must create a similar energetic frequency for infinite beliefs that will shift us to the paradigm in which we want to be. Ultimately, this is about really empowering yourself and you're going to be learning that it's all in your hands. In lesson 6.3, we'll talk about some specific techniques for sustaining your growth now that you are in a new paradigm. See you there.